we got another package, or let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or mail opening video. Today we have something from PATCHWORKS. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. PATCHWORKS. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's go ahead and get this open. Get this started here. Everything out. And we even have a manifest. Nice. Okay, so let's see, in no particular order. Let's try doing it this way. Alright, so on the top here we have a Hound squad. So this is actually from the, I believe, Math Blaster game. So Hound squad. Let's see what this one is. Save that one, save that one. Alright, next up is the RPK 16 mag dumping season. You see multicolored and a very tight stitch pattern. You can barely even pick that up in the camera compared to this one, which has a broader stitch pattern. Even that one's pretty fine too. So again, RPK 16. Okay, this one is FG 42 Fallschirmjäger. Go ahead and see that one. Again, multicolors. And different images going on there. So FG42. Next is Raifu is fine. So you can see there, Yet rifle is fine. Both sides. The image going on there. The handoff and refusal. Okay, next up is Cosmoline Smelle. Rifle, you smell good. Do I smell Cosmoline? So with the anthropomorphizing. Alright, so looks like we got two mystery patches, possibly. I'm looking at this correctly. Yeah, I got two mystery patches. So two of the helmet patches. So I'll let you research those on your own. Oops, caught the corner of that one. Very cool. So they do have at PATCHWORKS the mystery patch item selection. So we got a couple of those there. Very cool. Next up is Griffon Kryuger, if that is spelled correctly. Option Subdued, green background. So that's from that series. You can see there the detail on the upper logos and the cross chevrons all the way down. And then we get to the last two items here. So first up is Nazuna Nightwalker option embroidered with funny tubes. You see there, with the quad tube set up. I'm not sure if this glows in the dark, but it is a very neon green. I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up. This one is a slightly different green. This is also titled Nazuna Nightwalker option woven, no funny tubes. So in comparison to the other one, you can see a little bit of the green difference there. The images are different as well as embroidered versus woven. There's definitely a difference in the overall texture. This one stands out a bit more. This one is, oops, very flush surface. Alright, so two of the different types of Nazuna Nightwalker patches. One embroidered with funny tubes, the other woven, no funny tubes. Two of the mystery patches, very cool. Griffon Kryuger, if I'm spelling and pronouncing that correctly, I'm going to have to double check. This one is FG42 Fallschirmjäger. I'm not going in order here, but this one is Cosmoline Smelle. This one is Raifu is Fine. This one is RPK 16 Mag Dumping Season, and I believe we started off with Hound Wolf Squad from the Math Blaster game. So these all came from PK Patchworks. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. So PK Patchworks, they do run sales occasionally. So, and the mystery patches have a variety of randomness to them. So feel free to check them out. PK Patchworks. This has been another unboxing, mail opening video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.